Call type, welfare check. Location, 2198 Palomar Airport Road.
The radio call here was a welfare check of a female in a car. When I walked up, I could smell the odor of alcohol. She had admitted to drinking. I allowed her to perform a preliminary alcohol screening test. Okay, take a big deep breath and blow. You're a .118. She didn't meet the criteria to be arrested for public intoxication. We formulated a plan for her to have a relative come get her. If she drove right now, she would be subject to arrest. Have you ever been arrested for DUI before?
No.
Let's not make it be tonight.
Of course.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
It comes down to understanding someone's situation, and if she's not allowed to stay there, then it's going to likely force her to commit a crime such as driving under the influence. And while it seems like potentially the worst thing that certain people have experienced, when we arrest offenders for driving under the influence, somebody's family was potentially saved as a result of that arrest.